this is going to be our prediction for the day on our EURJPY. Now let's take a look at what EURJPY will give us for the day. But before that, subscribe, like, and share so that once we drop new updates, you would not miss out on it. So we are going to make use of the main trend, and we're also going to make use of the current trend. Now, this is our main trend on our EURJPY. You can see on our main trend, we are in an uptrend. So it is very clear that market is what? Trending to the upside. We are on a bullish moment right here. Market is what's trending to the upside. Now, when you zoom it in, you will take a look at the current trend, which is ranging market. So market is ranging within this level. The main trend says that we are in a trending market, when we are trending upward, but the current trend is what's ranging. So this is to tell you that we are ranging. Now, this is it right here. Market was able to push up and then give us a pullback, which came to tap our support. Now, market eventually pushed up again to tap our resistance, and then a drop was made that came to tap our support level. Market was now able to rally up to tap our resistance, and then it dropped to tap our support level. Market then did push up to tap our resistance, and then drop was made to tap our support level. Market push up right and then came back to tap our support level right here. So market has come to tap our support level. So our next movement on EURJPY will be another bullish move that will play out. It is able to tap our resistance level. So this is to tell you that a bullish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on our EURJPY. So from this level right here, we should be expecting some sort of a rejection. This is our EURJPY. So we should be expecting some sort of a rejection that will push up, then we will start pushing up. So above all, a bullish move for the day is what we are going to be expecting on EURJPY that should push up, give us another higher low, and then another higher. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So subscribe in order for not to miss out on the updates.